All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be putting this little Scotty rod holder. There's the holder itself. It's for bait cast and spinning reels. And there's the mount I got for it. It's not a flush mount, it's a block mount. I'm going to be putting it on a Pelican, well, I forgot what it was. Pelican Apex 100 Angler kayak. I just got this recently, so I'm trying to put some stuff on it to make it really good and usable like. Anyways, we're gonna be checking it out tomorrow, putting it on the water and see how it does. Hopefully we have a good time. I'm not riding it, actually. My good buddy Greg's gonna be. So it's a little chilly out. Let's hope he doesn't wind up in the water. But we're gonna try and make it as comfortable for him as we can before we go out. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This kayak, actually, the way it came, I just put in the deck hatch there. I made another video on that. I'm gonna link it down below. But actually, right here is a spot that is perfectly suited for this rod holder. So we're gonna go ahead and hook it up. All right, here we go.
All right, guys.
So, like I said, we've got the Scotty rod mount there. Which is what we're going to be mounting to this Pelican Apex 100 Angler kayak today. This does not come with hardware, FYI. So I went out and got some 1/4 inch by 1 inch stainless steel number 10 screws. And this size was perfect for it because they set right down in that hole. Y'all see that? Yeah, it's going to work out really good. Give us a nice solid tight fit. And it's got just enough penetration to go into the hull. Nice thick meaty thread there, so it'll grip on really well. What we're gonna do first is mark out our holes through the mount before we actually drill. So for this 1/4 inch screw here, I don't want to make the hole too big because I want to be able to make sure that I'm leaving meat for the screw to sink into. So I've got a 3/16 inch drill bit on here. I'm going to mark out my spots, drill my holes. All right, so my little marker idea didn't work because of the way those holes are. It just didn't fit down in there really well. So what I'm going to do is take a screw here and make an indentation about center. That way I can just come back to it and drill from there. It's the same thing. You just got to pay a little bit more attention when you're going to make your hole. All right, got my 4 points. Good. All right, so we got our holes lined up pretty good there. I'm not sure if y'all can see that or not, but you'll see it once the screws go in. Before I do that, get my ultimate tool here, plumbers, goop. All right, that way we keep everything watertight. Whoa. Nope, that didn't work. All right, guys, so as you teach, you learn. For that 1/4 inch screw, I was using a 3/16 bit. I thought it would leave me some room to grab into. Well, that didn't work at all. So I've moved up to a slightly larger, was it 7/32 here? See how that does. We're gonna give it a shot. I don't want to drill out all 4 holes here and then have a problem with it. Again, we're going low and slow, testing. Perfect. Perfect. All right, now we can drill out the rest of our holes. There we go. All right, guys, and the way we do this, get your goop and put in the holes before you place your screws. You want it all around those holes so it'll seal it. Don't wrench them down, guys. And there you have it, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.